How to create Google account without phone number. Now, this is actually something that only works for Android phone. I'm not really sure about iOS, but I've tried this one, doesn't seem to work. And I'm going to show you that this is working. I'm going to click this one right here, and you can see that I have so much email in here. Basically, most of these mails are created without a phone number, and I'm going to show you how this works. So I'm going to go ahead and click add another account, and then I'm going to choose Google here, and then I'm going to verify this one, and then I'm going to go ahead and head over to create account, and then we're going to choose for personal use. Make sure it's for personal, otherwise if you're going to use it for business, they are really going to require you for a password. Now here I'm going to go ahead and basically create a new name here. I'm going to go ahead and type it like so. And then for the last name, you have the option to write there, but yeah, basically that's optional. I'm gonna tap next, and then I'm gonna fill in the birth here. So let's just go ahead and add some random year or date here, and then I'm going to click the gender. I'm gonna choose female because that's a female name, and then I'm gonna head over to click next. Now here, this is one of the most important part. I want you to go ahead and choose between the Gmail option in here. Otherwise, you will be asked for a phone number. So for example, I'm going to choose the second one here, and then I'm going to tap next, and then I'm going to go ahead and basically enter my password. Alright, after entering the password, I'm going to go ahead and proceed by clicking the next button right there, and then I'm going to click next, and there you go, privacy and terms. Now I'm going to go ahead and click I agree, and then this is what's going to happen. So basically what I want you to do here is just let it go like this for like 30 seconds. Afterwards, I want you to go ahead and close this. Alright, there you go. So after that one, you can just go ahead and close this one, and then I want you to go ahead and open your Gmail once again. We're going to go ahead and click this one, and then I'm going to go ahead and click this, and if I were to go ahead and scroll down, you can see that we have the account there. So I'm just going to go ahead and open it. There you go. As you can see, you have now successfully created your new account here. And basically that, everybody, is how you're going to create Google account without phone number.